How to unlike all your liked videos on TikTok. So we are going to open the TikTok app, click on the profile tab, and in line with your uploads, only me videos, saved and repost is the tab for your liked videos. So currently, the only way to unlike videos is to click on them one by one. So tap that pink heart icon and the video will be unliked. Now, if you want to do this in one click, unfortunately, this feature is not yet available. So we will proceed to the three lines on top of the profile tab, go to settings and privacy, and in here, click on report a problem. Scroll down until you reach the very bottom of the page and click on submit a report. Once you do that, just tell TikTok that you want to unlike all of your videos at once and that you need assistance in doing that. After you submit this, wait for 2 to 3 business days and TikTok shall reach out to you regarding your concern. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.